New Meeting Manager has all the functionality of the old one, plus new functionality to make your pre- and post-conference communication easier. Let's go into My Conferences and find the demo conference. What you will notice is the overview screen giving you the important information about each event. You can book your hotel, see your current conference status, and a link into the actual conference. Let's take a look inside. The first thing you might notice is the navigation area. The default page is the overview, attendees, requests received, your agenda, hotel booking, and my required details. This is an area where you can answer questions from the organiser, check your event info pack entry, and change your badge for the event should you want to. For example, I'm going to change my priorities. Priorities are a way of letting the other delegates know what it is you are looking for. It will also make it easier for the system to recommend delegates that you should meet. For example, I'm very keen to meet agents from Belgium and education providers from all countries. Now I'd like to show you two other important areas of the central navigation area. In Actions, you can cancel your attendance and share this event with your network perhaps, or all of your agents in your company subscriber list. If you share by message, you can type a short note. Now let's take a look at Colleague Access. This is a very useful tool. Firstly, it allows you to see who else is attending the same event from your company. It also allows you to go into their event environment as if you were them. Particularly useful if you have been asked to manage meetings on behalf of a colleague, or you just want their agenda or to book their hotel room. Note my colleague's avatar and red box. To go back, I simply click on my avatar. This will take me back to my agenda, but let's first look at the attendees. The first view is of every delegate. The central navigation changes slightly also. Let's filter to see the delegate types we want. Once I select an option, the filter becomes active. Immediately I can see how busy each delegate is. I can click on them to see more information. I can see if I've ever met this person before at an event using Meeting Manager, and review any previous notes. Notes build up over time and are exportable. You will also see any notes one of your colleagues has left relating to either this delegate or any other member of their company. To meet with this person, I simply click Request Meeting. In the meeting request modal, you can simply click Send Request. However, you can personalise your message and save the template for later use. You can add attachments either from your computer or your study travel network, My Documents or company documents. If you want to send a request to more than one person, you select them using the tick boxes on the left. There are other search and filter options, including an advanced search. You can set criteria and save these search criteria for later use. Notice I have received a meeting request. I have the usual information, including how busy they are. I can just accept the meeting by clicking the purple tick, or I can view the request in more detail. This gives you more options. The message they sent, company information, where you might have met, meeting notes, and a few different options relating to the request. Accept request, assign to a colleague, decline the meeting. Each one of these allows you to write a short note to the person requesting the meeting. But let's accept the meeting. One of the things that is new in Meeting Manager is agenda optimization. The system seeks to make an agenda as efficient as possible. If a delegate that has a table is meeting with a delegate that doesn't, the system will automatically select the best meeting slot with the other delegates' meetings in mind. It considers the different floors and rooms when it does this. So, when I click Accept Meeting, I will only be given one meeting slot option because I am sitting at a table and the other delegate is not. If I am a delegate without a table, I would be given a few more options. We would always recommend delegates choose one of these preferred options. Clicking Accept confirms the meeting and lets the other delegate know by sending them a message. Let's accept and go to the agenda. Now I have some more options should I require. Cancel the meeting, rearrange the meeting either for myself or assign to a colleague, message the delegate, or leave a note. These are only seen by you and your colleagues. You can lock any slot, empty or otherwise. Another new feature is that the system will recommend moving meetings around to accommodate requests when your agenda is getting quite full. The system will not move a meeting unless you agree. If you lock a slot, the system will only suggest these slots as a last resort. You can export your agenda as a Word or PDF document, 1 day per page or 2 days per page, or the new 1 meeting per page. Here is one I did earlier. Note how your meeting notes are visible. Each of your conferences are still available to you after the conference ends. They can be found in your past conferences. In past conferences, you will also see events your colleagues, past and present, have attended. You will also find lists of people met by you and your colleagues in My Network lists and company subscriber lists. These will allow you and your colleagues to easily follow up and network with those you have met. Thank you for watching.